Diving is a sport that really captures the imagination. Exploring underwater landscapes, the thrill of weightlessness, and the camaraderie of a diving club are all part of the experience. But beneath all the excitement, there is inherent risk. And when the worst happens, a diving fatality, the consequences extend far beyond the immediate tragedy. In the United Kingdom, when a death occurs during a dive, it often triggers an inquiry. These inquiries are serious, formal processes designed to investigate the circumstances and ensure safety standards were observed. For club officers, instructors, or dive leaders, these situations can be incredibly daunting. The questions they face are challenging, and the stakes could not be higher. The key issue in these inquiries is responsibility. Diving clubs operate under guidelines set by national governing bodies and industry best practice. Officers are expected to plan dives safely, ensure participants are competent and briefed, and make decisions that prioritize safety above all else. A failure in any of these areas can raise legal questions about negligence or mismanagement, but it is important to remember, an inquiry is not a finding of guilt. It is, actually, an investigation. Its purpose is to understand what happened and whether procedures were properly followed. For club officers, this distinction is crucial. Evidence, context, and compliance with recognized standards are central to the defense. At Blackstone Solicitors, we can advise on the critical elements of such defense. Detailed records of dive plans, participant briefings, equipment checks, and adherence to NGB guidelines can demonstrate that officers acted responsibly and within their professional duties. Witness statements, logs, and training documentation all form part of building a robust case. Intent also matters. A diving fatality, tragic as it is, does not automatically mean a club officer acted recklessly or negligently. Courts and inquiry panels will examine whether the officer took reasonable steps to mitigate risk and followed established protocols. The presence of unforeseen or unavoidable circumstances can be decisive in establishing a lawful defense. Timing and procedure are equally important. Officers must engage promptly and fully with the inquiry, providing clear, accurate information and cooperating with investigators. Missteps in the process can complicate a defense unnecessarily. Diving is an extraordinary sport, but it is not without legal complexity. When a fatality occurs, club officers need more than experience in the water. They need expert legal guidance to ensure fairness, clarity, and protection of their professional responsibilities. Blackstone Solicitors. Defending those who lead, guide, and protect in the depths of sub-aqua sport.